just checked into our hotel in Bermuda, and it's called the Newstead, and I want to give you all a little room tour. So it's me closing the door. Or the kitchen area. It's like a stove, looks like, or microwave, one of them. Stove top, right, and a little sink, cutlery, coffee maker, toaster, cups, plates. This is the bathroom. It's pretty spacious, with a beautiful bathtub, and there's actually like a glass where you can see out into the front area. Toilet, mirror with LED lights, we love. This is the bedroom. We have some closet space, my stuff is in there. And then we have the bed, place to sit and eat and chill. It's kind of dark out, so I can't really show you all outside, but I'm going to show you anyway. I'm right by the water. And you can see basically Bermuda at night, or Hamilton at night. It's really pretty. It's got like a patio kind of situation going on here. This is the bed and some artwork. But I really like it. First Fete, a few hours, so I gotta go get some shut-eye, and then I'm gonna go get ready. Morning, so getting ready for Swizzle. This is breakfast party, and it's supposed to be my Thai outfit. So you can see my little outfit. Literally 2.5 hours rest. I wanna hear everybody sing dancing. Swizzle at sunrise was interesting. Bermuda is definitely dance hall country, and it reminds me of Nassau so much, because Bahamians love a dance hall. Ooh, feathers. Yo, the feathers I've been waiting for a long time. Getting ready for Raft up right now. Literally, y'all, I haven't feted like this in a long time. I mean, we only about to do Fete number 2, and I'm already feeling it. A young thug is gonna make it. Rasta colors today, keeping it simple, dead simple. And got the red shades to match. So yeah, I definitely lost my phone at Raft Up. It is somewhere swimming in the harbor currently with the fishies. Hope they enjoying the content from Raft Up. But I had a really good time, y'all. I really did. It was a really vibesy boat ride. I would do it again. But let's get into the details for this party people costume package. They gave us basically everything, like literally nothing was missing. They gave snacks, feminine products, mug, wristbands, Lucozade, bio oil, and a bunch of different other things. Here are my feathers. Super excited about that. I'm actually about to start getting ready now to go do some tours with Bermuda Tourism Authority and you know, some of the other girls that are on the trip for Carnival in Bermuda. I had so much footage from Raft Up. I mean, yo, like, frig. Just wanna, So I'm trying to get all of that sorted now, but I mean, we move. I still have my camera, so I'm gonna try to do my best and continue. So 2 more days left in Bermuda. Today is tour day, and right after is the white party. So I'm gonna do that. So far, I love it in Bermuda.
What are these blue, pretty?
So these blue berries, these are called the palmetto palms.
Today was definitely better than yesterday. We went to do some excursions on the island. We got to explore like these trails, historical forests.
It will be dark brown. So I'm trying to find, and you know, it's always gonna be at the top of the tree.
It was pretty cool. I even got to go swimming in this like blue lagoon sort of thing. And the water felt really good. Oh, it was so nice and still and not rough.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, acrobatic ballerina. Yes. Yes. Legs, body.
Then we went to Crystal Caves, which is like these caves that are underground, and they have like this like crystallized sort of formations underwater. And then also like at the top of the cave and the sides of the cave. And it's just, it was really cool. Then we ate at Ole Cafe, and I had basically half of like a official Bermuda dish, which is like this fish sandwich with raisin bread, tartar sauce, tomatoes, lettuce, and I had fries with it as well. Pretty much ready for glow right now. It was raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain again because it was some serious rain. I think Bermuda is a very decent trip so far, despite all my setbacks. So we headed to Glow, and let me say that this is probably my most favorite event out of all the events that we've been to in Bermuda for Carnival in Bermuda. It's this all white, all inclusive, very posh party, and the food selection was varied. We had like this quinoa seafood paella mix. It was yummy. It was so good. And the DJs and MCs for this party, they was just killing it like nonstop. Like there were literally no dull moments. Everybody was vibing. I feel like I've heard more current soca at this particular party than other events, but I didn't go to all events, so I can't say. But anyway, I love this event. I would definitely do this again in a heartbeat. I just had a really, really good time. All right, currently getting ready for Jouvert. Literally, we came from Glow and went straight to sleep. So now it's like almost 4 a.m. Just trying to hustle to get ready. I'm gonna prep. So I'm gonna stop putting Vaseline on my skin because I'm trying to be able to get all this paint and powder off. With this baby oil, whatever you want. But yeah, just putting it all over. So things I'm carrying with me. The t-shirt that came with the package is a towel. Another one of these waterproof phone cases. And wipes, money, my hotel key, and yeah, that's it. So we made it out there maybe like 2 hours before sunrise, and Jouvert in Bermuda is called Jam. And they actually took us out on the road, which was really nice. The people in Bermuda have a lot of energy. They're really friendly. It was such a vibe. Like I felt like I was in a legit Jouvert procession, Jouvert parade. And it was just vibes going down the streets, up and down the hills. You know, there were water hoses. We finally parked at this park where everybody just got really dirty. And when I say dirty, I mean literally dirty. Like there was like mud on the ground. People were sliding in the mud and all sorts of things. It was a lot of fun. So Jouvert, we headed back to the hotel. We had a couple of hours to catch ourselves before we started to get ready for the road. So, y'all, I'm out ready. My makeup keeps running, so it's like, but check out the details. And here's a mess because I've been trying to take content. And I think I got some good shots, but I don't know. We'll see. Taking this opportunity to show you guys some of the resort. It is really something, especially where it's located on the harbor in Hamilton. So check it out.
I don't know, but you see how far I'm
So we actually made it on the road. I was really excited. I'd never been to Carnival in Bermuda before, and it exceeded my expectations in terms of like the energy, the people, the costumes. They look exactly as advertised online, and with actually the bands had all joined together. So Nova Mass and Party People actually came together under one band to bring back Carnival in Bermuda for 2022. It was a vibe. So we actually got invited into someone's yard and they offered us food and drinks, and the people here are so friendly, so hospitable. I love it. It reminds me of home. I also noticed that they drink a lot of ginger beer, so I just made it a point to try ginger beer with everything. And it was really good. Like, even though, ginger beer is one of those spicy, warm drinks, like, I thought it was really good. So then we got to the rest stop where we was trying to get some food. I didn't get any food at the lunch stop because they ran out, but we just ended up going until the end of the parade, where we were able to get dinner, which was like this nice chicken dinner with rice and veggies and all that stuff. It was really yummy, and they played music up until nightfall. And that's it, you guys. This is my Carnival in Bermuda experience. Very short-lived, but I definitely would go again just because Bermuda is beautiful, the people are friendly, and the events were vibes. Like, I can't wait to see what they do in 2023. Definitely check out carnivalinbermuda.com and check out the links in the description box to give you more information about how to plan for Carnival in Bermuda 2023. That's it. Bye-bye.